ವಿಶಾಲವಾದ ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಗುಡಿಯು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ? ವಿಶಾಲವಾದ ಹೃದಯಕ್ಕಿಂತ ಗುಡಿಯು ಎಲ್ಲಿದೆ?
ಎಲ್ಲ ನನ್ನ ಪ್ರೀತಿಯ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರಿಗೆ ಟೀಮ್ ರಿಗ್ರೆಟ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ನಮಸ್ಕಾರ. ನಾನು ನಿಮ್ಮ ಶಿಲ್ಪಾಜಿ, ಡಿಪಾರ್ಟ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಮ್ಯಾಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ಸ್. Let's start with the important questions of linear programming. The weightage of this lesson is 7 marks. In this lesson we can see one MCQ question, one 6-mark question. This chapter is based on graph. So 6 marks important questions are, they'll ask like this: minimize and maximize the given objective function z is equal to minus 3x plus 4y subject to constraints x plus 2y is less than or equal to 8, 3x plus 2y less than or equal to 12, x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0 by graphical method. Second question: minimize and maximize z is equal to 4x plus y subject to constraints x plus y less than or equal to 50, 3x plus y less than or equal to 90, the non-negative constraints x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0 by graphical method. Third question: minimize and maximize z is equal to 3x plus 2y subject to constraints x plus y is less than or equal to 10, 3x plus y is less than or equal to 15, x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0 by graphical method. Fourth question: minimize and maximize z is equal to 5x plus 10y subject to constraints x plus 2y less than or equal to 120, x plus y greater than or equal to 60, x minus 2y is greater than or equal to 0, x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0 by graphical method. Fifth question: minimize and maximize z is equal to 3x plus 9y subject to the constraints x plus 3y is less than or equal to 60, x plus y is greater than or equal to 10, x is less than or equal to y and x is greater than or equal to 0 and y is greater than or equal to 0 by graphical method. Sixth question: minimize and maximize z is equal to 600x plus 400y subject to the constraints x plus 2y is less than or equal to 12, 2x plus y is less than or equal to 12, 4x plus 5y is less than or equal to 20 and x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0 by graphical method. Seventh question: minimize and maximize z is equal to x plus 2y subject to the constraints x plus 2y greater than or equal to 100, 2x minus y is less than or equal to 0, 2x plus y is less than or equal to 200, x comma y is greater than or equal to 0 by the graphical method. Eighth question: minimize and maximize z is equal to 10,500x plus 9,000y subject to the constraints x plus y is less than or equal to 50, 20x plus 10y is less than or equal to 800, x is greater than or equal to 0, y is greater than or equal to 0 by the graphical method. ಈ 8 ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಒಂದು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಕೇಳ್ತಾರೆ, ಅವರು ಮಿನಿಮೈಸ್ ಅಂತನಾರು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ಅಥವಾ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮೈಸ್ ಅಂತನಾರು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಇಲ್ಲ ಎರಡು ಒಟ್ಟಿಗೆ ಮಿನಿಮೈಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಮ್ಯಾಕ್ಸಿಮೈಸ್ ಅಂತನಾರು ಕೇಳ್ಬೋದು ನಿಮಗೆ. ಈ ಒಂದು ವಿಡಿಯೋ ನಿಮಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ಫುಲ್ ಆಗಿದ್ರೆ ನಿಮ್ಮ ಸ್ನೇಹಿತರೊಂದಿಗೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಅಂಡ್ ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ಚಾನಲ್ನ ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡೋದನ್ನ ಮರಿಬೇಡಿ. ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಇರಿ, ಹೇಗೆ ಇರಿ, ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದನ್ನೇ ಬಯಸಿ. ಸರ್ವಂ ದೇವಂ.